would not be a color I would grab. And that's really pretty. That's really pretty. And it feels really nice. Sharing new to me makeup in today's video. Some of this I purchased myself. Some was gifted to me in PR. Just going to do a little kind of chatty, get ready, just all makeup fun talk today. So grab a cold one and let's get into it. This is not new. This is something I purchased myself. I can't even believe that I purchased this again, but I freaking love it. And I've been using it more lately because I bought this a couple years ago. Let me just show you because you're like, shut up, just tell me the product and then, okay. So it's this. This is from Sicily. This is from Sicily, and this is the Double Tancer. I bought this a couple years ago, and it's just very, very pricey, okay? But it is amazing for a primer. It's the best primer I've ever used. And I was like, yes, please. So I have a new one ready to go. So when I'm done with this, because one thing about this is when it's done, you don't know when it's done. And normally I would not be wearing this on a day that I'm filming, but since I just got it, I just thought I would share this with you guys that I've been using this. And I love it. I just feel like my makeup stays on longer. This is my holy grail. We know what it is, Sicily. I get the shade 1, by the way. And this is called, I always say Sicily Concealer. There's 2 of them, but one of them is more for like your face. I don't really care for that one. I reviewed it. I don't like it. But this is called the Photo Cernes Eclat. I know I'm not saying it right. It's in French. Okay, please. I'm not French. Anyways, this is just amazing. I love it. This is my second tube. The first tube that I had lasted me maybe it was more than 2 years. Finally, I had to throw it out because I started using Natasha Denona and then it got bad. I should have just used it up. This will always be my favorite. I love Natasha. This is like amazing. I know it's expensive. Every time I've shared this, people are like, oh my gosh, so expensive. It is. I know it is, but look. Put it on. I'm actually going to use an applicator today, which I don't normally do, but I'm going to because I'm going to show you. You don't want to press too much out. See, it's got this little thing right here. So I'm just going to squeeze it. I don't want to squeeze too much out, but look. Now watch. It's all you need. You get the little brush with it. Okay. I'm going to take my little brush. And we're going to tap this in. And what I love about this is it conceals, but it doesn't look like you're wearing a concealer. I'm going to show you close up so you know I'm not talking out of my ass. You see that? I freaking love it. I was gifted some things from Onesize. So Onesize reached out to me, which I thought was really nice because I basically didn't like most of the stuff that I purchased myself. You guys, if you've been following me, you know that. And this was one of the things I tested and they sent it to me. So I kind of changed my mind about it slightly, but there's some things I still agree with my original thing. So they came out with these powder puffs. Let me show you. There's 2 different sizes, which I think these are really neat. I love how they are shaped and everything. And you can, well, you can't see, but I have used both of these, okay? I don't know. Powder puffs don't always work well for me with powder. And I'm not just talking about this powder because I've shared that with you. Sometimes it looks okay, but then sometimes I feel like it looks too heavy on me. And I don't know if I'm heavy-handed. I don't know if it's a powder puff, but I just find for me, I feel like using a brush to apply my powder just works better for me. But these are really nice. I do really like these, and I don't think I tried the powder puffs from them before. I don't believe I did. But this is the powder now. They have different colors. This one is in the color Ultra Peach. I really like this powder when I use it with my powder puff. It's beautiful. When I put it on with this, because I tested it, I hated it. It did not work good for me when I did it that way. It didn't look good, didn't wear well on me. The other thing I still don't like is I hate the packaging on this. I hate it. It's cute that it has the one size and the thing. Can you see that? It's cute. But then we get this, and then how do you shake it? How do we do this and not make a mess? You know, because you're going like this, and then so I think what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to take this off, probably cut it off, and then I'll have to shake it with the lid on, and then maybe when I store it, I'll put it like that. I think that's what I'm probably going to do, but the packaging is just, I don't like it. So I'm just, that's still my same review that I gave. I still prefer my Givenchy over this, but it's nice. This is just my MAC Fix Plus. I love this. This is from Merit, and this is the color, I think it's Vachetta or something like that. Vachetta. Color is called Vachetta. So Erin Nicole was doing a video and she's like, this is like my go-to. I just love it. And I was like, oh, I like it. It's kind of a nice neutral brown color that I could build on and do different looks with. So this is what it looks like. It's really, I know it doesn't look amazing, okay? But this is what I've been doing and I really like it. So, I mean, honestly, you could probably just use a bronzer, a cream bronzer, and do something like this too, I guess. So I'm just going to go on that same brush, and I need a mirror so I can see closer. So I'm just going to go in, and I just start applying it. See the color already? I mean, like I said, it's a brown color. It's not like, oh my God. But I do really like it because it just makes a nice base for my eyeshadows. You're going to layer, you know? I mean, I've used this and I've gone over and used, I don't know what I'm going to do today. I have a couple things that I brought in here. If you wanted to do a no makeup look and you just really wanted it to be like really light, it's just a nice color. And it seems to wear well on me, it doesn't crease. The one thing I don't like, the packaging on it is kind of stupid because you have to bust with a little bit to get the cap on. I don't know why. I'm going with this one today. I'm going to go with, this is the one from Prada, and I will have to put the name of it because I told you when I reviewed it, like it doesn't have the name anymore. I don't understand why they did that. I'm going to stick with more browns. I'm going to take this color right here. I almost dropped my mirror. And I'm just going to put this right up here in the outer. Because I already built up that color, you know, that medium color, I don't have to really build much up on the top there. I might put a little bit of this, but I'm just going to mainly put it right there. I really like these shadows, but I mean, look at me. It's not a dip in. I feel like a lot of these luxury brands are getting like that. I don't like that. I do like this palette, but I would not pay full price for it. I told you I got it on sale and I probably wouldn't repurchase it. I like it, but it's not amazing. Now I'm going to go in and I think I'm going to take that rose gold color. Lawless was very kind, and this actually came today and I was planning on doing a video, so they gifted me a huge box here. I don't know if you can see, and I have to thank you guys for it. You're the reason that I'm getting gifted PR. It's because of you. I've been testing some of their lip products. I do like them, but I don't really find them be plumping, okay? I don't. But I was really excited about this because these are blushes. I think what I'm going to do is I probably will review this maybe in another video because otherwise it's going to be so freaking long. But I'm going to use, they have kind of like perfect pairings, like use this with that kind of a thing. So I'm going to use this blush. This is a Rosebud, I believe. Yes, this is Rosebud, and this is called Pinch My Cheek Soft Blur Cream Blush. And then they have two lip products, and I'll use the lip products too as well. See? Okay, I'm going to tap this off because I don't want to look like a clown. I wish I would have done this before I powdered. Might have been a better idea. I don't know. I always think, oh, that's actually really pretty. It kind of has like a little bit of a glow to it. Really pretty. Okay, let's do the other side. And one thing is, if you ever do overdo blush, you can always take a little bit of powder on top of it and just kind of soften a little bit. I like this side better, and now I feel like I have to build it up because I kind of did a lot on the other side. Let me fix it. That's really pretty though. It looks very, it just looks really pretty. It looks like it's got a sheen to it or something. Let me swatch it and see. It's really pretty. That is really, really pretty. So I will update you guys and let you know what I think about it. I still have to finish my eyes, but let's just jump into the lips since I took that out. Let's hope that this lip liner works with this. I think it will. This is Posy. I'm going with this. That's really pretty. You know, looking at the bullet would not be a color I would grab. That's really pretty. Oh my God, I'm almost out of battery. That's really pretty. And it feels really nice. And then, I guess this must just be a clear gloss. Clear gloss. So, I'll do a little bit of this. Not too much. Just a little bit. I don't like to put too much gloss on so I bleed. Very pretty. I like that. I'm going to take that Barbara Brown and just put a little bit right above my lash. Just kind of smoke it out a little bit. This side. Finish this look really quick. I'm going to go back in that same palette that I was using, and I'm going to take my smudger brush. I'm just going to take some of this color and just put a little bit of it on here. That. I just like to put a little bit there because I usually don't put any mascara down there. So I like to do that. And then just so it doesn't look like I'm pulling my eye down too much, I will take a brush and just kind of blend it out a little bit there. Just like that. I'm going to use this mascara. I love this mascara. Only bad thing is that the good thing is it keeps my lashes up, which I love. This is from Givenchy, by the way. All the details will be below. So if I showed you something and sometimes I don't know. Editing my videos is fun, let me just tell you. But because it keeps my lashes up so well, sometimes I could transfer with this. So yeah, it's the only bad thing. But when you have a mascara that stays up and you have longer lashes, that's just how it is. I think it's really pretty, right? Kiss Lashes gifted me some lashes, and these are just not me. Okay, so these are going to go to my daughter. But they're Rebel lashes. And I'm going to tell you, I do like Kiss Lashes because that's the brand that I purchased the most. I also bought some from MAC that I really, really like. But before I discovered the ones that I liked from MAC, I was buying Kiss Lashes. If you've been watching me a long time, you know that. So I do really like the lashes, but honey, no. They're just too dramatic for me. This I love from them. This is their lash glue. I love it. I love their lash glue. This is the one that I used to buy, and I love it. I highly recommend it. If you wear lashes, love it. I've shared videos on lashes, and the thing is, nobody watches those videos. So I'm not gonna film a video on lashes. I just don't. You guys don't care because you don't watch the video. But I also got these, and these are the natural. So I'll show you some of these, and they're really nice. These ones I will keep because if I ever did, you know, if I went out someplace and I really wanted to be extra, I guess I would do that. Oh my gosh. See, this is the problem with my hair. I have like, I may have to fix my hair for my thumbnail. I'm just going to tell you. But these are the natural. Now, these I really like because they're almost like half ones. Pretty. And then we've got these. I like the names of them too. Hopefully you can see the glowy skin and freckles. Those are a little bit more dramatic for me. The single ones, which the single ones are nice. I like those. So So I really do appreciate them gifting these to me very, very much. If you're looking for eyelashes and you do wear them, I recommend them because, as I said, I used to buy them myself. So when I did used to wear lashes, which a lot of my older videos I did used to wear lashes, I really like that brand. That was the one that I purchased the most from. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. If you're new here, I would love to have you join us. Share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is free. I would greatly appreciate if you would do me a huge favor before you leave. Please make sure you like, share, and comment my videos because it helps to push them out to the algorithm, and I would greatly appreciate it. So that's your way of giving back. I really would appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.